asa Marieta Nkuruk Felix Mairura ngokora office yo mheshimiwa Donya ne manager Donya no mu women rep KISII lero twali ngese sema ya Bonchari ase school ya St Charles Gesero ya nyara gikoi asumu basokanova abana edom chikai chionsi chikarama manse ebintu byonsi bibi abana bikai marangeti chianga ebitabu chisanduki personal things byonsi bibi kaya mheshimiwa esenge nchabwate nkorenda buse nande no mongina umanyite nki abana batakeire nabune office na utotoma rero tuwachakira St Charles Gesero eyuere ward ya Ariana otoa chimatres tuanyara togo donate ese skuru eri chimatres merongevere otoa na marangeti 20 otoa ne bitabu chiboxi 10 kirachi konyara okonya asa abana bali bitabu byao byayete bakoira ne skuru bachakire gosoma.
My name is Philip Chirchir, the County Director of Education, KISII. And this morning we had a meeting with the chair, rather officer in my office, in the office. Then she told me that I'm going to Gesero. Then I thought maybe I'll bring them so that we come and see the principal and of course the school community. Oh, but the unfortunate incident that happened last week. Of course, the officers have been on the ground quite some the whole week last week. They have done reports. Of course, the culprits were found, and of course, the due process is going on. And then they have made recommendations so that in future we avoid such incidents, not only here, even elsewhere.
Wakati alisikia huu mkasa ambao ulikumba shule, mkasa wa moto, ametutuma hapa kwa hii shule ili tulete vitu ambavyo
on behalf of our school and our education fraternity, I'd like to thank the women rep, Honorable Donya for giving us this support. As the chairman has already said, this will go a long way to help these students who lost their belongings.